Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Alright my peeps, and remember to give my video a thumbs up on your way out, okay guys? And my peeps, if you like the video, love upon me some more as I continue to love upon you, alright? And if you know a recipe what you want me to do, or a juice recipe, a cooking, a baking, a vlog, whatever you want, shout it out or leave it in the comment section. Okay? Alright my peeps, now we're gonna make some papaya sea moss smoothie. Super healthy. And you know papaya is good for your system, good for your digestive system, alright. Sea moss packed with lots of antioxidants, gonna clean and build your immune system, alright. So let's get into this. I have half of papaya, guys. I'm not going to use all of it. I'm just going to make a glass full. So I'm going to use about quarter. And you know, guys, I can't use half the whole of it, right? Because my son, let me scoop out this in something. It's best to scoop it out in something, guys. My husband always says, guys, if you have some gut problem, you can swallow 2 papaya seed. It's good for your gut, good gut health here, guys. Alright, so scoop that out. And I'm just gonna peel it. Okay. Get that part out. It's so sweet, guys. You don't need no sugar for this recipe. No sugar, no honey, no sugar, no nothing. It's so sweet. I mean, my son eat off that the half part already, guys. Well, he's the one who eat most of it. Alright, I'm just gonna cut it up in this and then I'm gonna pour it in my blender. Just cut it up. Alright guys, now I have my blender here and I'm gonna pour my papaya in. If you want, you can put like half finger of banana to it, alright. And now I'm gonna put my sea moss and I'm gonna put about 4 tablespoons, just enough, alright. Or you can put about quarter cup or so. I like to put a little bit of ginger, so this is my my ginger powder or whatever. What you call it? It's like, this one is an instant ginger tea, so I put a little bit. I like the taste of it. Or you can put some fresh cut ginger, or you can put ginger powder. I have either one. Okay. And the next step, I'm gonna put some of this, some almond breeze. You can put regular almond, doesn't matter. I'm not gonna put a lot because I'm just gonna make a glass, so I'm gonna put about a cup. Let's put it whole like, guys. I'm gonna put a little bit of ice, and that's it. We're gonna blend away. All right, guys, we're gonna blend away. All done. That's it. All right, guys, you see the goodness? I want to taste it. I want to taste it first. It's so good, guys. It's not sweet. You don't want it sweet. I love it like this. But if you want it sweet, here I have honey over there, or you can put some dates in it. It's up to you. But I'm gonna serve it just as this. Look how thick. You see how thick it is? My sea moss. Let's pour some in. All right, my peeps, and this is it. This is the final result. This is what I'm serving up. All right, so quick and easy, really refreshing. All right, and this is gonna clean and build your immune system. Lots of vitamins. All right, lots of fiber. All right, guys. Yeah, papaya, a super food right there. All right, guys, and my sea moss packed with antioxidants, lots of mineral, lots of fiber, lots of potassium. Vitamins. It's a superfood. So all together, and you know what, ginger good for pain, inflammation, and digestion. All right, guys, this is also a weight loss, a detox, immunity booster, super drink. All right, guys, and that's it. You have a good day. Bye, guys. So thick. Oh, I'm gonna taste it, guys. My peeps, I just want to show you how thick it is. You see that? Super healthy, super delicious. Taste it for you. Guys, it's so good. It's not sweet. As I said before, if you want it sweet, add a little bit of honey. Or whatever sweetener of your choice. So refreshing, guys. Bye, guys.